So a few years ago, I was in my office at work and got some not so good news. And I suggested that some of my team take the rest of the afternoon off. Well, they opted to stay at work, and I immediately thought, what kind of comfort food can I have delivered to them? To my surprise, there was a Magnolia Bakery not far from my office. Magnolia Bakery is known for their banana pudding. They were made famous, the bakery was made famous by the show Sex and the City. You know, people still watch that show today. I actually had a binge watching session of the show when I visited my dearest girlfriend in Arizona. But I know Magnolia Bakery from one of my favorite movies, The Devil Wears Prada. Anyway, I got the banana pudding delivered, and my colleagues enjoyed it so much. And as I enjoyed this banana pudding, I thought with the very first taste of it, oh my goodness, this is the best banana pudding I have ever eaten. It was the best banana pudding I'd ever tasted in my life. The second thing I said was, this tastes just like my banana pudding. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not, and tell me if you are someone that loves banana pudding or hates banana pudding in the comments section. There's something about this time of the year that just makes me want to bake and cook and share and bring all of these amazing flavors into my kitchen. So I'm going to share as many of them with you as I can. I'm also going to share with you, as promised, how to bring a little more Christmas cheer into your kitchen, into your home, into the spaces that you love spending time in over the next few weeks. And I hope that you will bring some of these things, some of your favorite flavors and some of your favorite things into your home over the holiday season. This recipe is just entirely too easy and too quick for you not to make it. If you make it and you don't like it, please come back here and let me know. Yvette, you were dead wrong. This banana pudding is no good. But I am so confident that you are going to love this stuff as long as you follow these simple steps. The full recipe is going to be down in the description box. Again, though, I want you to let me know if you are a fan of banana pudding or if you hate banana pudding. I know that there is also a group of people who are so passionate about having banana pudding only if it is cooked. I like cooked banana pudding too, but I have to say it does not compare to this. My personal opinion, but I'm telling you. This stuff right here, it is essentially comfort in a bowl. Do me a favor and share this video with someone you know that loves banana pudding. Share it with someone that loves banana pudding. I want to hear from anybody and everybody on this recipe right here. Thank you so much for watching. I am so grateful that you're here. I'll be praying for you, and I will see you soon.